A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my lovely and little angels. How are you? कैसा चल रहा है आपका पढ़ाई? और असेसमेंट तो हो गया, अभी फर्स्ट सेम के लिए तैयारी हो रही है. आर यू एबल टू कंप्लीट ऑल द नोट्स? यस. Okay beta, if you have any query you can call to me, but I am sending you the notes. I will be sending you all textual answer. You do not worry at all. Okay, now let me ask something from you. This is a pencil. If the pencil is lying nearby your table, आप क्या बोलोगे? If ma'am ask you ये किसका है, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? This pencil belongs to Riya. और इसको और तरीके से भी तो बोला जा सकता है ना, मैम दिस इज रियाज पेंसिल. और इफ माई पेन इज लाइंग ऑन द टेबल, देन व्हाट विल यू से? दिस इज अंजलि मैम्स पेन. ओ वी अंडरस्टूड मैम. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट एपोस्ट्रोफी एस. किसके बारे में मैम बताने जा रहे हैं? मैम बताने जा रहे हैं एपोस्ट्रोफी एस. So we will be watching a small video on that, and afterwards we will be doing a small worksheet. So children, are you set? So children, are you set to watch a video? Our today's topic is use of S. When we use S, let's see in our video.
Of apostrophe S. Read the sentences given below. Gracie has a big bag. Gracie's bag is big. Bag belonging to Gracie. The eagle has sharp eyes. The eagle's eyes are sharp. Eyes of the eagle. The pilot is in white uniform.
The pilot is in white uniform. But when we have to use apostrophe S, then how will we use the sentence? Yes, let's see.
The pilot's uniform is white. Uniform belonging to the pilot. Soha has a big doll.
Soha has a big doll. But if we want to use apostrophe S, then we will be using Soha's doll is big.
Soha's doll is big. Doll belonging to Soha. We use apostrophe S with a naming word to show belonging.
Children, why do we use apostrophe S? Tell me. Yes, we use apostrophe S with a naming words to show belonging. उनका रिश्ता दिखाने के लिए, उनका belonging दिखाने के लिए what we use? We use apostrophe S. Follow children? Okay. See, we use S, apostrophe S with a naming word to show its belonging. Belonging मतलब क्या हुआ? जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया ना कि मैम this pen belongs to Anjali ma'am. So in what way you will be telling to someone? This pen is Anjali ma'am's, or Anjali ma'am's pen is lying on the table. So it was all about the belonging, that it shows a belonging with a naming words. Okay children, so now we will be doing a small worksheet on the basis of apostrophe S. So are you set with your notebook and textbook? Let's start children. So my dear students, are you set to do the exercise? Yes children, it's on page number 34 and 35. For practice you can go with textbook, and if you want to prepare notes you can go with notebook. But children, it's compulsory to prepare notes, okay? And you will be sending me a photo shot, okay? So let's start with our worksheet. Children, set with your pencil, eraser and sharpener. Okay. Yes. Lesson 12, use of apostrophe S. Add S and fill in the blanks. Dash dog is brown. I have written in the bracket Tina. So how you will be telling? How you will show the belonging? Tina's dog is brown. Follow children? Yes. Next one. Another one is I am reading dash book. What's written in the bracket, children? It's written Mala. What's written? Mala. I am reading Mala's book. So book shows the belonging towards Mala. The dash trunk is very long. किसका ट्रंक लॉन्ग होता है? बताइए तो. Yes, elephant. The elephant's trunk is long. Got it? Dash bag is full of gifts. Who gives you gifts during Christmas? Yes, Santa Claus. Santa's bag is full of gifts. The dash feathers are colorful. किसके feathers colorful होते हैं? Peacock. Shows the belonging between the feathers and the peacock. Peacock's feathers are colorful. Peacock's feathers are colorful. Got it, children? Very smart. आप मेरी तरह लिखते जा रहे हो ना? Very good, children. I am reading my dash letter. Yes, grandfather, it's written in the bracket. So how you will be writing, children? I am reading my grandfather's letter. Got it? Yes, very nice. Next one is these are dash reading glasses. What's written over here? Grandmother. दादी के reading glasses हैं. These are grandmother's reading glasses. Got it? It shows a belonging between grandma, grandmother and glasses. Yes. Now we move on the 8th one, children. The dash mouth is open. What's written in the bracket? It's boy. The boy's mouth is open. When you read the sentence, if आपको लगे कि मैं mistake कर रहा हूँ, so you read and then write down. The boy's mouth is open. Then you will come to know whether the sentence is correct or not. The dash crown is beautiful. The dash crown is beautiful queen. So what you will be using to show the belonging? The queen's crown is beautiful. Same लिखा आपने मेरे जैसा. Are you able to do? It's so easy, ma'am. हमको तो टॉपिक बहुत easy लग रहा है and we are doing it fast. Oh, very smart student. Dash bag is big. What's written over here, children? Gracie. Gracie's bag is big. Got it? Okay. Dash doll is big. किसका doll big है? Soha. तो what you will be writing? Soha's doll is big. Dash pet cat is lazy. Lazy मतलब आलसी. Okay. Dash pet cat is lazy. Now what's written over here? Sheila. Sheila's pet cat is lazy. So this was all about how to use apostrophe S and where to use and how to use. Okay beta. So have you followed the worksheet? Have you followed the chapter also? आपको बहुत easy लग रहा था ना? And you were able to do it fast now? Am I right, children? Okay, okay beta. Very nice. Yes children, you will be doing in same way in the exams also. Exams में भी बहुत अच्छा करना है. Okay. So children, it was all about apostrophe S and you will be completing all the notes. If you have any queries, you can call me. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye students.